How to save a draft message in RoundCube. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into RoundCube webmail. Now let's learn how to save draft email messages. Click the Compose icon. Let's start composing a message. While composing an email, you may find that you'll want to save your work and come back to it later. You can do that by clicking the Save icon. The message has been saved to drafts now. Let's return to the main email page. To find your saved messages, click the Drafts folder. There it is! To continue composing the message, simply double-click the message. You can then continue to compose your email. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to save messages as drafts in RoundCube so you can complete them at a later time.